In a significant political development, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress have announced an alliance for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The parties have agreed on seat-sharing arrangement for Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana and Goa. In Gujarat, the Congress will field candidates in 24 constituencies, while AAP will contest 2 seats. In Haryana, the Congress will contest 9 seats, leaving 1 for AAP. In Delhi, AAP will contest 4 seats, while the Congress will vie for 3 seats. AAP will field candidates in New Delhi, West Delhi, South Delhi and East Delhi, whereas the Congress will contest in Chandni Chowk, North East and North West seats. In Goa, the Congress will contest both Lok Sabha seats.
दिल्ली लोकसभा में 7 सीटें हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी 4 पे लड़ेगी। वो 4 सीटें नई दिल्ली, वेस्ट दिल्ली, साउथ दिल्ली और ईस्ट दिल्ली। कांग्रेस पार्टी 3 सीटों पर दिल्ली में चुनाव लड़ेगी, चांदनी चौक, नॉर्थ ईस्ट और नॉर्थ वेस्ट। गुजरात में 26 लोकसभा सीटें हैं, 24 पर कांग्रेस लड़ेगी, 2 सीटों पर आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रत्याशी रहेंगे। भरूच लोकसभा और भावनगर लोकसभा की ये सीटें होगी। हरियाणा में 10 लोकसभा सीटों में से 9 सीटों पर भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस लड़ेगी और 1 सीट जो कुरुक्षेत्र की है वहां पर आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रत्याशी लड़ेंगे। चंडीगढ़ को लेकर लंबी चर्चा हुई, लेकिन आखिरी में यह तय किया गया कि चंडीगढ़ में भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी चुनाव लड़ेंगे। गोवा में भी, खास करके दक्षिण गोवा में विस्तार से चर्चा हुई, लेकिन फिर यह तय किया गया कि गोवा की दोनों सीटें ये भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ेंगी।
Notably, the two parties did not make any statements regarding Punjab, where AAP currently holds power after defeating the Congress in 2022 state elections. Earlier this month, AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal had declared that his party would contest all 13 Lok Sabha seats in Punjab. The alliance between AAP and Congress comes after the two parties, who have been rivals in Punjab and Delhi, successfully contested the Chandigarh mayoral elections in alliance last month, following the Supreme Court's intervention. Following successful talks between Congress and AAP on seat sharing in Goa, the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee and the AAP stated that they are in support of the decision. The Congress also informed that the decision on shortlisting candidates from both seats in Goa will be taken next week. Here's what the Goa Congress President and the Goa AAP President had to say on the AAP Congress alliance ahead of the Lok Sabha poll.
Congress पक्षाचो कॅन्डिडेट कोण हाचेर प्रोसेस इज ऑन. फुडल्या आठवड्याक मंगळारा आमची स्क्रीनिंग कमिटीची मीटिंग आसा दिल्ली, and after that meeting the candidate will be finalized in that meeting. First step is that today we have declared that Aam Aadmi and Congress has declared that Congress is going to fight both the seats. Okay. Now the second step is whoever are there in opposition, other MLAs, we will approach them. We will approach them in coming days and we will seek their support.
I think people are smart. This time people are going to vote wisely. People are going to vote for India Alliance, which is fighting these elections very seriously to defeat corrupt BJP. And I think there should not be any doubt in people's mind as to who is a vote splitter. I very categorically make it a point to say that RG is a vote splitter. Suddenly their change of stance in few minutes, few hours goes to show what their intentions are. I think it is clear in people's.
William Rodriguez, Manish Parab and Sanika Nagwekar for Goa 365.